exercise lang naman ang pag-uusapan, hindi pa huhuli ang mga Pinoy riyan. At ngayong 2025, tila may bagong trend na naman, ang Pilates. Tara! Kung last year, nasa running era tayong mga Pilipino, ngayon, dumarami naman ang nahuhumaling sa Pilates. Ito ay isang uri ng ehersisyo na nakatuon sa lakas ng core, pagkontrol ng paggalaw at tamang paghinga.
Beautiful!
Kilala rin itong mabisang paraan para maibsan ang stress at mapaparelax ka talaga dahil sa vibe ng mga Pilates studio. Kaya naman talagang ife-flex mo sa IG and FB story ang kada session mo. Literally and figuratively na flex ang mag-Pilates. May iba tuloy na napapaisip, pangsosyalan nga lang ba talaga ang exercise na ito? Para kanino ba talaga ang Pilates?
Actually, meron tayong reformer na for athletes talaga. So, heavier springs, iba yung ano niya. Meron din tayong reformer for rehab. So, iba-iba pa yung equipment. So, ganun siya ka-personalize.
Ano nga bang mga benepisyo nito?
Pero I would say this is a good investment kasi not every exercise actually puts more effort into your body talaga, your specific body type, how you move. Parang hindi lahat ng exercises is as personal as Pilates.
Bilang parte ng pagtanda, we lose muscle mass, kaya mahalaga na ma-preserve ito hanggang kaya pa. Pwede bang ma-lessen yung mga back pain, mga ganyan?
Yes, exactly. Kasi usually, parang lagi tayong may lower back pain from sitting all day or yung posture pa lang natin, we have the parang tech neck, yung ganito tayo. So, we're being mindful about the spinal articulation para alam natin each vertebra starting from your lower back, middle back, upper back, yung neck natin, ano yung movement niya, ano yung proper articulation niya.
Pero, bago pa man ito naging luxury sa paningin ng iba, nagsimula ang Pilates bilang rehabilitation noong World War I.
Pilates has been here for a long, long time. It's been started by what you call, the person he called Joseph Pilates. So in the 1920s, he used Pilates as a way for rehabilitation for the German soldiers during the World War I. I think it's been gaining traction because people are looking for exercises that are more tailored to their body, helping them in their day-to-day life.
Ginamit niya noon ang mga spring ng hospital bed para tulungan ang mga sugatang bilanggo na makapag-ehersisyo kahit nasa kama. At dito, nagsimula ang kilala natin ngayong Reformer Pilates.
Miss Vivian Zapanta, the one who trained us, the only trainer here sa Philippines, she's 71 years old. Yes! So, ibig sabihin, parang age is really just a number. And this form of exercise is hindi siya for people na sobrang lakas ng muscle and all that. It's for people who want to move mindfully, who want to go back to their neutral. Kunyari, you're doing golf. So, usually, parang may shift ka on one side or the other. So, this will bring you back to your neutral.
Mukhang madali sa unang tingin, pero wag maliitin dahil ito ay isang full body training. Akala ko, hindi ako masyadong mahihirapan dahil regular naman ako kung mag-ehersisyo. Pero iba pa rin pala talaga sa pakiramdam lalo na kapag unang beses mo. Low impact ang Pilates, pero high result ito. Ito ay isang uri ng strength training, pero di tulad ng traditional training sa gym, ang Pilates ay gumagamit lamang ng reformers, resistance bands, balls, or body weight. Bagamat walang naglalakihang barbell sa Pilates, mararamdaman mo talaga na natatarget ang bawat muscle group.
Very important pala kasi natin yung muscle as humihina yung bones. Kasi muscle protects your bones. So, Pilates will really help with that. Kasi ibig sabihin may mga muscle ka, yung deep muscles mo, hindi mo siya masyadong nagagamit. So, while I was cueing yung kanina, tinatry ko siyang gisingin, ganyan-ganyan, I was asking you to squeeze your glutes, engage your core. So, dahil nagigising yung muscle, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga Pilates shakes. So, normal siya, very normal, and as you keep showing up, you'll get better. So, yung first exercise natin is align yung heels natin sa sit bone. So, make sure na yung paa natin naka-press talaga sa mat para active yung lower body natin. And then, start na yung arms natin long on the side. Tuck your rib in to engage your core. Inhale here. Exhale. Tuck your rib in. 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 Tuck your rib in Exhale 3 times as you twist. Exhale. And come back. One more time sa other side naman. So inhale. Exhale. And balik. So yung benefit niya, twists your spine while keeping your core engaged.
Health is wealth. Kaya anuman ang iyong paraan para mapangalagaan ang iyong kalusugan, i-flex mo na yan. Not just for the gram, but for the long run.